Can you tell me what languages you heard while growing up in Vienna?
Basically, the only thing I remember really is German, but that is a small part of where we lived and then where my friends lived. And so I didn't hear much. There was a Russian Orthodox church across the street. I presume they were speaking Russian to each other, but all the Viennese non-Jews would speak German and with a Viennese accent, and that's what essentially was my full language. And definitely, I was just talking to my friend who drove me up, there was an element of snobism in my attitude in their crowd towards, we have gotten away from this, living in the Städtle. We are now part of Western civilization with university education. There was a general attitude of negativity towards the immigrants from the East, from Poland or Russia and so on. They somehow were less civilized. That's just very abstract, but they didn't give me lectures on this, but I had this sense. We were superior, we were just better people, but they didn't boast or anything like that, but there was a down, less and more kind of thing, which is really very ugly when I see it now from that point of view, but I didn't think much about it then.